This next song is called Nani O Hakuone. I just say Hakuone. Oha was transferred 30 acres down in Kaka'ako. And there was all this negative things being said because Oha wants to build homes for our people. But the people across the street, all those $1 million people, is trying to stop us. It's not good. You know, we have such a shortage in Hawaii. But I have to say something positive about this because in the Senate, Nani, who put the bill through, the Senate was good. But then there was the House. One man who thinks he's a dictator. I find him offensive. And if you know me, I don't get like this. One man who dismisses us without even hearing our bill. And then they say, well, you know what? The Hawaiians just can swap the land. Swap the land for halava. Obviously, they don't understand our Hawaiian culture. You know, you name your home. You name places like Le'ahi. You name your child. They name this place Hakuone. So, after you see your baby, you look at the fingers, the toes, you name your baby, you gonna swap your baby after that? I don't think so. So we wrote this song so that people like this man and people that think like him can see that it's deeper for us. This Aina, we are the stewards of this Aina. And Oha is the stewards for this Aina, for our Lahui. So please enjoy this song called Hakuone.
Nani
people I know over here, our Kuile outreach group that has been sending out good vibes for that place, Hakuone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay.